Hold that for me, 2 and 1. I got to roll. Make it Ozra now. Pick me up at chapter 3 by verse 3. Ozra, hold that 2 and 1. We'll work that out too. It's all the same word. Y'all give me a little time to get out your way. I'm going to make sure you get what you came here for. By order, Mr. Yahuah. Listen, everybody can't do it. They can't do it except Yahuah be with them.
That's right.
A man can't receive nothing unless Yahuah give it to him.
Mm-hmm.
You can't even get it, huh? He said you can't even say on it. Not without the Ruach HaKodesh. Gotta have it. Don't worry about that thing. Come, whole podium come down. I'm gonna still do the same word. I'll lean on the chair. This is Cog 3 and 1. 3 and 3. 3 and make it 3 and 3. Listen. Come on. Ozra 3 and 3. Now I told you hold me Kagi, chapter 2 and about verse 1. Yeah, 2 and 2.
And they set up the altar on
For
its
the record,
foundation.
I'm not looking at notes. I had to kick that L on for a second. I felt a little toasted. Come on.
And they set up the altar on its foundation, for Yahuah was upon them.
You see what did they do now?
Set up the altar on its foundation.
So the altar, what we call is the Mizbeah. Y'all remember? They set up the altar on its what?
Foundation.
On its foundation. Listen.
For Yahuah was upon them.
Because fear was upon them. Come on.
Because of the arm of the Arats. And they offered burnt offerings on it to Yahuah.
See, that fear was on them because of the people, so they set the offerings up. And they set up on this foundation. Listen.
Allah, morning and evening.
Listen.
And they kept the muhad of Sokar, as it is katab, and the burnt offering.
You saw how they kept it? Depending on how they felt.
Oh.
How you keeping this? You keeping the corners it written. He said this a common, what they call a this a mikra, which is a reading of the Torah. That's how we keep it. That's how they kept it. See, you know how you connect yourself to? This is called relationship. They kept theirs because of the writings. Why are we keeping it?
That's right.
Cause I don't want to hear a preacher mouth. I don't want to get put out. Where is that written at? You already put out and cut off when you don't do what he tell you. Mm-hmm. Listen.
And they kept the muhad of Sukkah, as it is katab, and the burnt offerings by number, yum by yum.
Listen, day by day, how they kept it. Listen.
According to the ordinance, as the matter of the yum in its yum.
Listen.
And afterward, there was a continual burning offering.
Listen, afterward, there was a continual burning offering. Listen.
Also for the Kodeshim and for all the set Kagi of Yahuah.
Y'all see that? They had a continual burnt offering. It was for the Kohesh, it was for the Kodeshim, well, the Kohan, for all of the right for the Kohan. And this was set up for all the people too. And it was for all their muads. Listen.
That were and for all the set Kagi of Yahuah that were Kodash.
Listen. And all that was set aside. Listen.
And from everyone who offered a free will offering to Yahuah.
Listen.
From the first yum of the 7th Yarik, they began to offer burnt offering to Yahuah.
That's when they began on the first yum of the 7th month, that they called it. Listen.
But the foundation of the Hakal of Yahuah was not laid.
Listen.
And they gave money to the masons and to the carpenters, and food and drink and oil to the Sidonians and to the Soronians, to bring cedar wood from Lebanon to the Yam of Yappa.
Listen.
According to the grant Koresh, Malak of Para, to them.
How many of y'all remember who Koresh is? Koresh is who they would call Cyrus. Koresh is his actual real name. This is who sat down and he ruled over for the Medes. So we went in captivity. We went in captivity with the Babylonians. Then they were taken over by the Medes and by the Persians. He was the first emperor from them, which one of the younger brother of Artaxerxes. You need to know this historically, but you need to know it for the fact that he's the one that gave the letters and the writing that the house be put back.
That's right.
See, we couldn't even put it back unless there were writings. When they came back, after the others had came along after him, they all had to go back, and we were building. They wanted to stop us from building, but they sent them back to the writing. When they went back to the writing, Koresh had already put down that the house should be put back. And he said, and firmly. He said, as a matter of fact, let the money be taken out of my treasury. Let it be used to pay for whatever need for it to be put back up. That was the order that Koresh put down. Y'all all right? And we
Yes,
know
sir.
who ordered that. That be by Yahuah.
Yes, sir.
Isn't that right? The
Yes,
house
sir.
that didn't stand, Yahuah said, I exist. My house is going to exist.
That's right.